I don't know what I'm going to say. I never do. That's nasty. Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Today we're going to mix up a classic Prohibition gin cocktail that has to be in my top 5. I love it. The Last Word. The Last Word cocktail. Before we do though, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button. Once you've done that, hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss a single episode of the show. That would be greatly appreciated. All right, back to our Last Word cocktail. This cocktail has a lot of flavors going on, but once it's poured and once you sip it, it's just an amazingly balanced, beautiful cocktail. I'm going to start today with just a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, just a little bit. What this is going to do is just soften the edges and pull everything together. It's not much, just a 1/4 ounce. Now past that,
slide to the right.
Every ingredient in the Last Word cocktail is going to be 3/4 ounce. So I have freshly squeezed lime juice here. I'm going to pour 3/4 ounce. Follow that up with our gin spirit. Today I'm using Nolets. You can use whatever you have available to you. 3/4 ounce. Ooh, it's a little bit too much. It's pretty good. 3/4 ounce. Now we're going to pour in 3/4 ounce of Green Chartreuse. In some of my other videos, if you remember, the Green Chartreuse has a little bit of herbal flavors that'll come through. It's going to work exceptionally well with this cocktail. 3/4 ounce Green Chartreuse. Lastly, 3/4 ounce of Maraschino. A little dryness to the cocktail, some nice fruity flavor. All right, we're going to get a little bit of ice in our tin and we're going to give it a good shake. Probably didn't know I was ambidextrous, did you? Now you know. I have a coupe cocktail glass ready to go. We are definitely going to give this a double strain. Nice clean cocktail, beautiful pour. Ooh, I think that's it. For our garnish, I already have prepared one single Luxardo cherry. One single Luxardo cherry. And we're just going to place that bad boy right there in the back of the cocktail glass. And there you have it. Classic Prohibition style cocktail, The Last Word.
It's beautiful.
And that is awesome. So good. Of course, you have the gin, the lime. I mean, you can actually taste every single ingredient in this cocktail. You really can. You can catch the maraschino, the green chartreuse has the herbal flavor to it, the gin comes through, the lime comes through. It's an amazingly well-balanced cocktail. Got to be at least one of my top 5 gin cocktails. Thanks so much for watching today. Boy, we appreciate it. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for watching. You can find us on Facebook, SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. You can also catch us on Instagram at SLB Drinks. As always, we ask you to please drink responsibly. Very important. See ya. You want me to do some of that over again because I appreciated you.